Alright, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the live stream sessions. Let's do this. Okay. Give me a minute. I'm just setting up things. In the meantime, let the people join first before we start the live stream a little bit. Alright. I think we are good to go. Everything is set up and we can go live now. Okay, let's do this. So first of all, we're gonna trade with Zillion. They have a really good dashboard and everything. Okay, so let me just quickly log. I mean, I'm already logging into my account. So this is my account. I'm gonna trade with it. Okay, and yeah. So let's trade. Let's start trading. First of all, let me just set up my own trading view. Okay, here. So before we trade, everything is set up for us. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, you can ask me. All right. Okay, my camera is like all right. I feel like everything is set up. Let me just push myself. Yeah. So you can see the chart properly, right? Okay. Well, we're gonna add gold here. Okay, add to our favorite list. That's what we trade. There we go. Now let's talk about this pair first of all. Gold is breaking all-time high. And when I say all-time high, it's definitely going through off the roof. Because this year it's been crazy. You can see like price has been like going wild. Gold is like something, if you've been trading gold when the throughout the December, you will have a lot of tough time. A lot of tough time. Okay. So let me turn on from here the trading view so I can customize my chart the way I want. Go settings. Okay. I think color and everything is good. I don't think so I need to change this. Highs and lows, status line, scale, canvas. So we don't need definitely none. Okay. Session break we don't want. Text should be there. Everything is done. We just want this to be black. And yeah, I think we're good here. All right. Let's see. So first of all, let's do a top-down analysis from all the way to weekly and monthly. Okay. So if you guys have not watched my previous analysis video, I'll recommend that you do watch my analysis video because in that I already said that gold is bullish and we should not look for any short-term sells. I mean, I was looking for a short-term sells that already happened. Let me explain that on daily time frame first of all. So we were expecting for price to tap into this levels 230 or 250. Okay, but I feel like it just around this level that was so strong that it didn't went down at all and just made keep pushing up. So these rejections were enough confirmation for you to continue your bias. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. First of all, that let me just mark up some of the things that I like to check. Mm, okay, I think that's it. 25 दिन में पैसा डबल भाई we don't run scheme here 25 दिन में पैसा डबल आई होप ऐसा पॉसिबल होता तो इफ अगर पॉसिबल है किसी के पास देन लेट मी नो भाई मैं खुद आऊंगा 25 दिन में अगर पैसा डबल हो रहा है आई एम कमिंग दैट शुड बी अ कॉन्क्रीट प्रूफ हाँ कि 25 दिन में पैसा डबल होना चाहिए फिर तभी मजा आएगा वरना मजा नहीं आएगा या तो लाइव स्ट्रीम में हम ऐसा करते हैं कि गो ऑल इन फुल मार्जिन पूरा पूरा गया या तो आएगा तो सब कुछ आएगा या तो नहीं आएगा तो कुछ नहीं आने वाला तो व्हाट से okay anyway yeah so as I was explaining first of all we have a huge bullish momentum. Let me mark this level here. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, at the price, let's take a look at the fundamentals. For the last couple of months, we've been bullish throughout the fundamentals and the technicals. So it's a basic thing if you understand. Draw a trend line and you can see that price is moving up. I don't see like prices heading anywhere down. Now, when I see a downtrend, that is something like this. But when gold, gold when starts moving down, it doesn't stop by. It's like it's just gonna break. When I say, let me see here, but it have a minor pullback. It doesn't have a yet like a huge pullbacks. But if it does have a pullback, it's so strong that you cannot catch it. If you do catch it, then you are definitely doing something that we don't. Oh, okay. So in terms of technical, we had a huge bullish momentum. Fundamentals are bullish, technicals are bullish. Okay. When we tap into these all-time high levels, we had a multiple rejections, but price was not pushing down at the same time. It was just trying to, break out that level. So if we just zoom in a little bit here, I can see by इतना rejection दिया है 4 hours में इधर इतने rejections दिए but finally if you just go through a minor resistance here you can see that we had a breakout, a retest, and the continuation. Perfectly done. अब analysis करने में it's easy to say कि we had a breakout and everything and trade नहीं ले सकते to be honest. ये जब market में होता है at that time अगर trade लेना है तो it's tough to do everything at the same time because multiple rejections. हाँ, you can also take sells here. For an example, people who bought in buy here, they were taking buy here too, seeing that we are reaching all time high and we can push all the way up. So जो ये push मिल रहा था हमें वो हमें यहाँ चाहिए था, right? And what it did, it manipulated, went all the way down, tap into this zone again, rejected, and then slowly started moving up, retested, and new weekly candle, new daily candle, and soon we will have a new monthly candle in like some days. ठीक है. So most likely, what we can expect on gold. Now I cannot tell you कि like we'll have a pullback definitely. ठीक है. It's something we cannot expect in this huge bullish momentum because let's see. Huh. See, when last time gold went bullish here after breaking all-time high, what did it do? 1 hour candle B, choti choti B, it's making all-time high. It's constantly moving up. When we start moving down, it had a huge drop. Then again, started moving up. Then again, huge drop. So I'm not expecting any kind of a major pullback at the moment. What I'm expecting is just minor pullback and continuation, minor pullback and continuation. Okay. So right now what I see, Lennon session start on a we had a minor pullback and we are seeing some rejections. If I just go to a 15-minute or 5-minute time frame, I can see that. Okay. Now what I see, we have this level. I don't like this color. Okay. So I'm gonna put black and something like this. Oh, what just happened? I deleted that or what? Oh, okay. Maybe I didn't. I put out this one. It won't be visible for you guys too. Okay, great. So we have this level here. Okay, so if we tap into this zone, we can expect major rejections on a 15-minute levels. So my idea is simple that if we do tap here, we can look for buys and we can look for this target. That's it. Okay, that's what all we need for London session. Okay, so we're gonna go to 1-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame. We'll look for rejections and then wait. Okay, that's simple. Nothing major to see there. Also, guys, if you don't know about Zillion is a broker that I'm right now using. After Exodus, I feel like that is a broker that could be good for India. So if you don't know them, please do check it out. Link will be in the description. Create an account, deposit a smaller amount, test it out, the execution, the spread, and everything. Right now, I'm using zero spread account. So you can see I have zero spread on gold. So whatever I trade, whatever trade I take here, that will directly go in market. Okay. So that's how easy it is. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can fire away. Besides this 25 दिन में पैसा double. That's what I don't know. But right now we just need to wait for this one. Let's see what else we have here. Like today, in terms of calendar and news, in major news, we don't see anything. Eurocad, UK, something related to US. I don't see it here because see, we have mainly read news on UK, I guess. I don't. We have only GBP news, I guess. There's nothing other than that majorly. Anyway, let's wait at the moment. I don't see any, things that we can explore here in terms of market, but in terms of what is this? Top moves, Mel USD.Z, daily gain 50%. That is definitely purchase in my पैसा gainers, that is that, losers, that is USDTV, THV. Let's see, what is that? Millennium. Ooh, this is something we should not trade at all. Ooh. Oh my god, we have just had a huge gap down. That is so huge. If anyone have taken a buy here, account is gone for sure. And definitely, I would like, take a buy. Sorry, take a. Yeah, no, no, definitely, I'm not trading this. We'll stick with our gold. Oh, I didn't save the chart, bro. Do I need to customize it again? Yeah, I need to customize it again. Let me see. Yeah. Anyway, so as I was saying that we are right now, we are just waiting. We don't have anything. We are just waiting at the moment because I don't feel like I should take a buy here. If I'm looking for buys that in London session, that would be here around this level. That looks something where I can take a buy and target the all-time high. That is enough of a move for me to capture. That is how much. That is good enough. More than good enough. This microphone and everything is good, right? I feel like it's good. Yeah, it's good to know. Right, in the meantime, I guess we don't have any questions, comments, or anything. We can just, wait, I guess. I don't see much of a moment in gold as this end of the year. I don't feel like, we should risk everything here. But anyway, gold is pushing here. So let me know if you guys want to see any other analysis. I feel like if price will tap into this levels, there's a huge possibility that we see rejections. And something I'm seeing that if we do drop from here to here, that I'm interested in buys from here at this level, because looking for sales in this huge uptrend, mm, it's a suicide, to be honest. And I don't feel like we should commit any suicide in the first day of election. Interesting. All right. Should we do play games like we do it usually? I feel like we will have some rejections at this level because then we can see price will tap into its levels. As we are rejecting, but also keep in mind that we are on a 1 minute time frame. So if you look at the 15-minute time frame, new candle just open up and possibly we can either drive up or maybe reject that level. But all, let's see. I'm just gonna wait here because I feel like the buys will be better from this levels and we have a minor SL and taking a sell in this zone that doesn't feel right because we are already in a huge uptrend and that is a 1 hour candle, you know, just started pushing up once it's open up. So I feel like it will just dive back down a little bit. So let's wait. Let's wait and see. We are seeing some rejections there on a final time frame. If I move myself here, it's a better angle. Feel like because you can see if I'm taking any buys or sells. Right now there is none. So go straight. Let's see. We have some time left for only 1 minute left. I mean, for 5 minute closure there. Yeah, possibly we might see some continuation. I'm just waiting at this moment still. If the next 5 minute candle open and we can see a push down. There we go. Price did push down, but it's now coming back up. If it's break this high, there is a huge possibility we can continue moving up because then we have 15. No, no, no. There's a huge possibility we can take break the high, tap these levels, and then still push on because again, I remember that 1 hour is still pretty bullish. It just open up and start flying off. So there's a huge possibility. I'm still looking for some bearish momentum on that wick. So yeah, if this candle flip bearish and goes down, then we can look for sells. This will be a risky one. If I took take any sells here, it's going. Oh, sorry. If I take any sells here, it's going to be a risky one. So that's why I'm going to put SL here around 50 pips and target the lows here we have. That will be the one. But it's still a risky one because we are in a huge bullish trend. Okay. There we go. We are seeing some momentum. Price is trying to break. But yeah, okay. How about like we just take a you know minor sell here and you put our SL exactly above this level. That's right. And we're gonna target this. That's it. So we have taken a short position. SL is there. And then we can look for buys when we tap into this level. So let me just change the color here to something like this. Okay, yeah, looks better. Let's see. Let's see if we get a win on this trade. I think even if we tap into this level, I'm going to close partials because we're still bullish trend. So you can see here below my position is running. Okay. And yeah, we have 1 minute left before this 5 minute candle close. And if this close respecting the previous candle lows, it doesn't close like a wick, doji candle, then we can see next candle to have at least pushed down till here or here. Let's see. Yeah, we get see that's the issue. If we get a doji candle, then we have room for price to move up, then move down. So that's what I don't like. If this candle have closed till here, then we had a huge possibility we could tap this level. Now there's a two options. Now this candle can move down and then move up, tap into this level and reject them later on. Let's see like what price does then. Right now we are up around $11 or so. Let's see. Yeah, see, that's what I was trying to tell you. That it could reject and move up now. But then let's see if we go above this level, then we'll manage risk and possibly look for buys from these levels or see. But our initial trade will be this one when we tap into this level, and then we can look for buys. This is just to basically check. As expected, price try to move up, but it's still rejecting. We have 2 minutes left for this candle closure. And I think that's a new 15-minute candle too, if I'm not wrong, right? Oh, yeah. In 6 minutes, we have no 15-minute candle over. So if this candle push down, then yeah, that's it. 30 seconds. Let's go. 30 seconds and we'll know. We'll know if price is trying to push down or it's just gonna range. There's two options. But I feel like in Asian, we had a huge move to the upside. So there's a possibility we don't see much of an downside move. देखते हैं क्या होता है. We took a 1 minute time frame. Yeah, we are ranging at the moment. We don't see anything here. We're just ranging. So we need to break off structure and then continuation, something like that. There we go. We are seeing something. I want like a strong momentum, to be honest. I don't want price to, once it breaks, I don't want price to, consolidate or reject that because we have done enough consolidation here as well. Let's see. Let's see what price does. As I said, also, if we do tap into this level, then we can still see some rejections. So that's why my sell is above that zone. There we go. Finally, we are seeing some rejections again to the top level. So possibly we can, see a run down. देखते क्या होता है because हम already बहुत strong uptrend में at the same time. What I want is just price to because our initial still हमारा जो main trade है which is this one buys from here because we cannot buy here and 1 hour का candle to सीधा push up here, right? We need something with the downside. Let's see. In 2 minutes, we'll have an understanding because in 2 to 3 minutes हमारे 15 minute candle भी close होगा. So 15-minute candle close like this, doji or something, then there's a possibility कि next candle can push down till here. Basically, we need this candle to close in some time. Let me know what do you think in the chat. What do you think? What do you think, people? What do you think? कि price यहाँ से strongly move down करेगा or strongly move up? I also like I don't know like London session में volume नहीं अभी तक इतना. 30 seconds. Let's see. Okay, we got the closure of 15-minute as well. 15-minute का closure is doji. So we got two doji candles, but price still push नहीं किया. Like I have a feeling that we might tap into this level when before pushing down because अभी भी ये open करके directly push कर रहा है, right? तो हो सकता है कि थोड़ा ऊपर जाए, tap करे around this level and then possibly push down. But at the same time, let's see 1 hour candle. अभी अगर 1 hour यहाँ से ऊपर गया if last 15 minute candle ये 1 hour का, this will tell us the price क्या करेगा इधर. ये तो लगता है, मेरे को लगता है ऐसे ले लेगा इस तरह तो, बिकॉज लास्ट 11 मिनट है 1 आवर क्लोजर में. या तो ये स्ट्रांगली मूव करना चाहिए अभी अपसाइड या तो डाउन साइड, एंड आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इट शुड मूव डाउन साइड बिकॉज स्ट्रांगली 1 आवर कैंडल को शट किया है, उसके बाद कंसोलिडेट किया है. इंटरेस्टिंग, वी आर स्टिल ब्रेकिंग अबव हियर. बॉटम वीक भी नहीं है ना इसका. सी, आई डोंट लाइक प्राइस का बॉटम वीक भी है, बॉटम वीक भी नहीं है. ये खींचेगा मेरे को लग रहा है, आई हैव फीलिंग. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम हैविंग फन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय आई एम हैविंग फन? You mean sitting alone and trading? Of course I'm having fun, bro. How are you? How are you, Taylor? How are you doing? I'm if you just woke up. Oh yeah. All right. Maybe later on we can have you on a call on a live stream. Why not? What do you say? Will you will you join? Maybe New York session if I think London will be too early for you. So in New York session we can do live together sometime. maybe January could do London or New York session. Yeah, that's true. Like it's the end of the year and people will be celebrating at the moment. Yeah, I'm just doing here. See, first of all, in December the volume was crazy. If I don't feel like I don't wanna, you know, so I'm not risking that much. My initial entry is like I want to look for buys from here, but I just took a sell to see because we are seeing some rejections. So I took a small lot size and took a sell here. If it dropped in here, I'll close everything. That's the plan right now. But yeah, that's true. It's the end of the time, and I don't feel like we will see much of a volume. And Asian, we got huge volume to the upside, so I don't see London session what will do. What it will do, I don't know. But 100% from January we can go live together because I was planning to, get people with me on live. So let's do that. I have some other people also joining later on, but that's a surprise, that I don't want to reveal that right now. But surely, like I'm doing live stream from daily from today till the end of the next year or so. But yeah, that's the plan. Like I will do live consistently because a lot of people told me you're not consistent on YouTube and you should be. And I was like, yeah, even you are one of them, right? Yeah, price is definitely rejecting this level. We got one, two, three, four, and this is fifth candle rejecting right now. But I still have a feeling, we're gonna push through. And even if you see pullback, that will be still possibility here. That's it. the moment price is like still pushing upside, you see, we need a closure below our 411, 4411. Once we have a closure below this level, then possibly we could drive down, but we need a closure below this level before that. Okay, let's see क्या होता है. Because it's still end of the year and low volume and everything, so not much thing. Yeah, 15-minute candle closing around in 3 minutes. This will definitely trying to push, will be continue moving up if it closes like that. And I don't think so I'll be risking this amount like that. So now what I'm gonna do, wait once we tap into this levels. If I see rejections once we tap here, then I'm gonna hold. But if I don't see any rejection and a strong push up, then I'm gonna close immediately. See, we are tapping levels. We have not yet tapped into this, but we are still seeing some rejections. Some rejections there. There we had a strong rejection. See, told you we might have a strong rejection there. Ooh, price just flipped bearish. Totally in last 1 minute. In last 1 minute, you see this? Damn, that was crazy. I was just hoping that we will have a reaction, but this one, interesting. I was not expecting this. Interesting. So does this mean we're gonna collapse in 1 minute? Because this is a huge candle. Either we're gonna, continue driving down and see, because in the last 2 minutes, whole candle pushing up. In the last 2 minutes, we are seeing this. So let's see. Waiting and checking things. First day of the live stream, and question is key, we will have a win or a lose. What do you think, people? What do you think? Win or lose? We have last 1 minute candle opening up. We have a new 1 hour candle just open up. Okay. And I think 4 hour is still okay. So I'm gonna move my SL here. Okay, on this clip of 4 hour. Going back to 30 minute. I think we can close partials if we tap around these levels. Let's see. Yeah, definitely. Once we tap around this level, then we can close full. Not even partial, full. Because if we see any rejections now, that means we are definitely moving up. Because here's the thing, right? The rejection I was looking for, we got it from here. And if we push above this now, then I'm gonna close it. There's no point holding the trade here later on. Either see a clear run down till this level, 8, 9, and we can close that because that will be enough for it. Price is still pushing at this level. Ten minutes left. 10 minutes. If 15 minutes doesn't go bearish, then we will close. As I said above this level. And my SL is a remover SL, and I don't want to hold this because we are in a bullish trend. And new 1 hour candle just open up. So if this doesn't go bearish, then there's a huge possibility that we can continue moving up. Guys, let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, definitely we are breaking the high of a previous candle. There we go. Okay, all right. We're seeing some rejections, but we have not hit the SL yet. Okay, our SL is here. We have not yet hit the SL yet. Our SL is pretty small. It's around 38 pips only. So now I feel like we're gonna hit SL. No, no, just hit the SL. I mean, if you want to fly, just fly away. I don't know, it's a nice time to लेना ये. लंदन सेशन में कुछ वॉल्यूम नहीं है। अभी अभी यहाँ से भी रिजेक्ट कर रही है, यहाँ से भी रिजेक्ट करके वापस नीचे गिरेगा तो खत्म। फिर 1 आवर का हाई लेके बैरिश गया वापस, and then the end। नहीं नहीं, उड़ा देगा ये, बुलिश मोमेंटम है अभी भी। बाकी करना होता तो 1 मिनट में ही कर देता अभी तक तो। मतलब अभी भी बुलिश मोमेंटम तो है, आई कैन सी इट। और एस एल इज अराउंड $155 एंड 5 मिनट का बॉटम विक नहीं है ये। अगर एस एल लिए बिना यू नो गिर जाता है then best है, but if it took out the SL then no problem, we'll do come back tomorrow। ठीक है, okay। SL hit day one loss of around 37 pips। ठीक है, no no problem। हमारे पास न्यूयॉर्क सेशन पड़ा है and we are not in any rush। Alright guys, we are not in any rush, so keep in mind I'll be live every day in London and New York session, so stay tuned। Okay, subscribe to the channel, come every day and we're gonna trade together here and see। Okay, so whatever trades are taken will be shown here। We're down around $160 and let's see what happens by the end of the month and a year। All right, so I think I'm gonna end the live stream here. I don't see much of a reason to continue because I have taken my one trade which I thought like it could push down. But yeah, our initial trade was this one. What I wanted is to price to move down from here, consolidate here, and then push up. Basically, that's it. That's it. So that was our trade and targeting the high. But price didn't do it. So we just took a small, our initial lot size, I didn't took that one. I just taken a small rest here, but workout nahi kiya. ठीक है, and let's see tomorrow या शाम को, let's say शाम को न्यूयॉर्क सेशन में will be back NYC या तो न्यूयॉर्क सेशन। ठीक है, but right now I don't see any more reason to continue the live stream। So thank you so much for watching, and guys if you have don't seen the broker that I've used, please do। It's Zillion, you can go create an account with them and also check the spread and everything। Okay, they are really well in terms of my account. I have a zero spread account right now, so no spread, I'm just paying for the $5 commission and that's it, done for the day। basically इतना ही है। okay, तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन है you tell me, about this broker, I'll answer it and let you know। So also recently I have made a video about the brokers that I feel like could be a good one, so go check that out। Also check out our website xrtradingflow.com, we have put a lot of things there, stay tuned for that। I guess that's all, but definitely check out the broker, they are well, and I feel like after Xmas they are performing better in India, so it could be the good one। So yeah, all right guys, thank you so much for watching me on the live stream and trading and everything। Let me know in comment section what do you think, like should we continue doing this? I feel like we should because I want to। बहुत टाइम से मतलब मेरे को लाइव स्ट्रीम करना था, बट एंड एंड में मतलब टाइम मैनेज नहीं हो रहा था और एट द एंड में स्टॉप कर देता था। बट दिस टाइम आई फील लाइक आई विल कंटिन्यू, समथिंग विल बी कंटिन्यू driving me to this live stream part। But yeah, let's do this। So guys, thank you so much for watching, I hope I see you in the New York session। Till then, take care and don't overtrade। I have taken my trade and I'm done for London, not taking any further trade। See you in New York session। Okay, thank you।